There we were. In this video, I will teach you people how to perform t-test in R. First of all, we need to know what is t-test and where it is used to apply. A t-test is statistical test that is used to compare the mean of two groups. It is often used in hypothesis testing to determine whether a process or treatment actually has effect on population of interest or whether two groups are different from one another. So when to apply? A t-test can only be used when comparing mean of two groups. We have to compare more than two groups mean when only two groups we use t-test. When we have more than two groups, then we will use ANOVA or post-hoc test. So you need to remember only two groups, t-test, more than two groups, ANOVA. There are different type of t-test, like one sample t-test, two sample t-test, pair t-test, or we can also say one tail test or two tail test. For one sample t-test, a single population is compared, and two different population could be compared. And in one tail, one sample are different from one another. Perform two tail if one population mean is greater than. So when we compare two population are if two population are different, so we only use two tail. When just we use mean is greater or less than one another, so we use one tail t-test. So let's go to R how to perform this. So first of all, we would need to open our packages and our library. So here we use GG inference, mass, and GG tuber. So these three packages are required. I have already installed, so I have just opened them. So now I will open my data. This is my data and I have a lot of entries. You can see many entries. And first of all, I will plot. This is my data. In this data, I will take this column bully. So data $sign bully. So from this data 2, I will select only one column, bully. And what is that? That is z-score of bully. And we will plot this. So we will see what is that data, how it look like. So we can see here this data range from 0 to 10, not 1, 0 to 10. So now I will perform one tail t-test. So in one tail we will compare only mean. So I will this mean data into bully mean. We will write like mean is equal to mean into data to $sign bully. So this is mean our data, and then this is t-test. This is one tail t-test. We need to write here alternative is equal to less or more. If we can write here more, and we can also write here less. So I have written less. So this is our result. True mean is less than this because this is less. So here we can also now perform the code is same. Here we only will not write this alternate. So in two tail and we will not, or we will use mean, because we need to use more or less than mean. So true mean is not equal to this. So that was less, true mean is less, that was wanted, and this is not equal to mean. It can be more or it can be less. So from one tail we can see that that is less. So less we can plot now. So we can plot this. So here is the actual mean. So it here it is less. Mean it is to negative. So we can see this is two tail. So it is less than actual mean. So now I will plot one sample t-test. This is one sample t-test, and I can now plot two sample t-test. Sample, we will take one bully and other gender. We can see it mean different gender effect on bully. How the effect. So here we can see the p-value is in negative. So mean and this p-value is very small. This p-value is very small. So it means their gender significantly effect on boolean. Now we can plot this over this result. We make two box plot, and that's all. So there we were. If you want to learn more statistical analysis, you can subscribe to my channel and you will learn statistical analysis on daily basis.